What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk and No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview, guys. Today, what happened? Today we got our higher low and a break of the previous day high. Very beautiful. So even if you missed that previous day lower day bounce where we actually made the higher low, you still got to play the break and hold above the previous high of day. Right. So great day this morning, a little choppier than expected because we had a little bit of a lot of individual names went up first and the indexes went down, right? And then everything pulled back and then decided to rip the end of the day. So fun day today. Finally had a trend day up. We love those. Now let's just take a peek at what to expect for tomorrow. Really not a ton of economic data, especially after the market opens. We do have a ton of data pre-market. Non-farm payrolls will be an interesting one, and then a lot of government payrolls, private non-farm pay, all that kind of stuff, right? So that comes pre-market, but after that, nothing really comes in, especially after the open, like a 9:45 or a 10 a.m. So that's always fun, especially on a Lotto Friday when you're not really having to worry about that, economic data first thing out of the morning, where you're just thinking, hey, maybe you should let things settle, etc. Whatever you like to do, however you like to play. So tomorrow I will be very excited that we don't have that data 30 minutes in, 15, 30 minutes in. That's great. So what to expect for today? Well, today's low of the day held. So look. As long as pretty much. Okay, we want bulls 4,200, 4,205. You want that to hold, right? Because that was your back test today. However, we saw this reject spot here Tuesday where we actually had the back test at 4,220. So as long as I'll say 4,215 holds, I think 4,240 to 4,245 gets tested. Ultimately, if we have a day two trend day up, take the break of 4,240 and you ride it on up to 4,260, and the rest is history. If we get underneath 4,215, I think we could easily try this 4,204, 4,205, 4,200. Under there, we'll probably take the rotation right on back down to the previous day low, but looking for some continuation to the upside here. So really thinking as long as 4,215 holds, you're going to want to watch there or take the break of 4,240 to the upside. 42. I mean, if we're at 4,245 on ES, it's likely 4,260 is coming. Okay, SPY's going to look pretty much the exact same as this ES chart here. As we can see, right? What did we hold? What did we hold today? Remember, we had this level here, 417.35. Body's pretty much held here on the 1 hour. We really liked it. We got that higher low, and then we actually played this break and hold of 419, and it rode us all the way up to where? 423, double top reject. However, right, we still held and closed above 421, which was a decent level, right? Which was basically where we had rejected from here on Tuesday, if you look over here to the left. Okay, so tomorrow's quite simple. I really just want to see 421 hold. 421 holds, any dips to it in the morning, maybe a little below, but 421 holds. I think we go ahead and try this 423 again. If we gap up, or we just open up and go straight forward, play the break of 423, takes us to this gap at 425. Under 421, have to do or die bounce at 419. If not, we're going to rotate all the way back down to 417, and then 416 below there. Pretty straightforward Friday so far. You can see it, right? Right? Not the most complicated. Double top here, just like SPY did, right? So let's watch 350 back test, okay, or the 350 break and hold. Okay, call it 354. You go play it safe 354, because even if you play it safe 354, you still have so much room to run to 357 gap fill above there. So 354 break and hold, look for the higher low there, or look for the back test of that 350 level for the so be a higher low intraday. Okay, higher low, but we're looking for the higher high as well to get up higher, or you can look for the higher low on this for the daily low, right? A higher low there to take you on up if we can hold this 350. If 350 breaks, could see some more sell back to this 347 area, and under there 345, 340 underneath. Okay, but what did IWM do today? What did it hold? It held 172. Held 172. Look right where it went to. 176. Go figure. So I think it's going to be all about this 176. We want to break and hold above it, creating a higher low on the daily, or just getting a higher high on the daily as well. Higher low on the intraday scale. So break and hold over 176. I think that'll give you all the confirmation you're going to need to see the Qs and SPY take off to try their upside levels. Break and hold over 176. Call it 176.25, 177.50, 179, 181. Call it 181.50 will be the gap fill to the upside. Okay, if we cannot hold above 176, we could see some broader market weaknesses tomorrow. Look for the rotation back down to 172. Got to hold. If not, small gap 171.50. And then underneath 171.50, it gets kind of ugly. 170 and then 168 under there. That's it, guys. That's all I got for you. Really simple, straightforward, and to the point. Hope you had a great day today. Quick reminder for tomorrow. If you're green on the week, great. Take a small portion of your profits. Take your lottos on Friday with it. Get in, get out. Don't stick around to see if the cops show up. If you're red on the week, guys, sit out. Assess why you're red. Do not trade. Do not risk any real money. Do not play hero ball. I guarantee if you think you're going to turn this horrible red week into bright green, it's only going to turn more red. So just don't do it. Okay. And the last thing is this: wake up early, get your levels right, and don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.